I mean, yo, hang out with me and like, yo, it's 2:44 a.m. Oh, you were asleep. I'm sorry for wanting to make you food. Let me see if this is a good size. Yep, this looks good to me. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna cut my bacon in half because the pan I have isn't really big, so. And I don't know where my other cookie sheet is. I'm using thick cut bacon. Boy, let me show you something real quick. Does this look thick to you? Where is this thick? This freaking diner I go to sometimes, they only, like sometimes they might give you 3 slices of bacon, but any other time they give you like 2 of the thinnest, cheapest, like pieces of bacon I've ever seen, and like half of it is burnt. But I'm too much of a shy boy to be like, hey, what the fuck? I got my oven preheating to 375. I'm gonna put that down. How can I make this extra? I'm just gonna put bacon and egg and that's it. I don't have any mozzarella cheese, I don't have any Monterey Jack cheese, but I do have the sharp cheddar, so I'm just gonna use this. Oh my god, please tell me there's like not just the ass pieces in here. This is literally the last pieces of toast in here. Damn. It's some oddly shaped bread. Yeah, whatever, it's fine. One of the most unprepared videos I've ever done, where it includes 2 cameras, one here and one here. And I didn't do, like, I had to restart because I was shooting in the wrong frame rate, so the rendering would have been all bad. And I didn't sync up the second time. I didn't think about what I wanted to eat. I can just, put this knife here and then just, I'm gonna make this super freaking simple. I'm not gonna like go crazy and like make an omelet with the bacon. Now wait a minute. I'll say that for another day. Maybe if it comes to a time where I'm gonna be making another late night breakfast like tonight. Boy, if you speak again. It comes a time where it's another late night breakfast. Maybe I'll make a bacon omelet or something, or a veggie omelet. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Alrighty. Should I do one-handed? I've only done this recently, so let's find out. All right. Fight me. I dropped the shell on the floor. Oh my god. I'm in that mood right now where it's just like, yo, go to bed, but you're hungry. Alright, so I'm gonna put a little bit of milk in there. Bacon is like 30 seconds from being done. I mean, it's pretty much already done. I just like it a little bit extra crispy. Got my cheese that I grated. I don't have it sliced. I actually use a lemon zester for this because I can't find my cheese grater. So, I mean, hey, it came out like really small and fit and fine. It's gonna be nice. So, since the bacon is like nearly done, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my egg to go, and then I'm gonna toast up this bread. So, let me switch the camera angle then. Okay. So, I actually put a little bit of oil and a little bit of margarine because I'm fat. And I just like the flavor and it cooks nice, so I'm gonna do that. That's fine. That's fine. Let that melt, nice and easy. Egg is ready right there. The bacon is pretty much done. I just want it like crispy. After I put the eggs, I'm actually gonna toast up the bread. I'm not gonna put it in the toaster. Oh hell no. I got an extra skillet right here. I caught that perfectly, but didn't get it on camera. Probably didn't get it on there either. All right. I don't want that sizzle when I hit the pan. This has turned into an actual cooking video. What the hell? It kind of just turned into me talking to the camera while I cook, but then it like just randomly turned into an actual cooking video. I don't know. I cook a lot and I love cooking. I don't want it to just crisp and burn on the bottom. And then as soon as I see like a tiny bit of smoke from the egg, I just cover it up. I don't need to like do little edge snips. I don't need to do any of that because the olive oil and the butter is gonna help me there. And I have the spatula here for when I need to take it out. I don't want to open it. I'm gonna open it for a second. Oh, there it is. real quick. There it is. It looks undercooked though. It looks like not that cooked, but it's starting to cook nice. I don't know where the spatula is. This is gonna have to do just like that, and then I just cover it and I just leave it alone. The smoke and the heat will do the rest of the job for the bread. Whoops. Okay, for the bread. Think of it like a grilled cheese. When you make a grilled cheese, what do? You put butter on one side, and then you put the cheese, and then butter on the other side. You do it and you flip it. I don't use butter anymore. I use mayonnaise instead of butter. Now, before you say, ooh, mayonnaise, like, trust me, I don't like mayonnaise myself. If I order a chicken sandwich from McDonald's and it has mayonnaise on it and I wanted it plain, I'm gonna take it back. Oh no, my battery's dying in my other camera. You're back. When you toast your bread with mayonnaise instead of butter, butter kind of has, it has that, kind of the saltiness of the butter and everything, but there's just something about the mayonnaise. It has a nice crisp to it. It gives a nice crust to the bread. It has a kind of a tangy flavor to it. So it's nice. Really nice. God damn. That battery's dying too. The battery I just put in is dying as well. Alright, you know what? This is absolutely the most unprepared video I've ever done. Alright, I got my pan. So I'm gonna put my pan here, turn it on so it can heat up. And I'm gonna use mayonnaise instead of butter. Like I said, it's just better, trust me. Next time you make grilled cheese or you just wanna toast bread or something like that, don't put it in the toaster, don't use butter. No, you use mayonnaise. Trust me, when you throw the bread, that camera just died. No, god damn it. When you throw the bread on the skillet, you want to hear the sizzle. If you don't hear the sizzle, it's gonna end up sticking. That's a big thing. It's like a lot of people will complain about like, oh, my food is sticking to my pan. Well, that's because your pan is not hot enough, my dude. Lightly, look, it's just lightly toasted. Please focus. Lightly toasted. It's not that much. I mean, you can do it more, whatever you want. I like with mayonnaise better. It just tastes better. I would put sea salt, but I don't have any more sea salt, so I'm gonna put some kosher salt. Black pepper and a little kicker because I enjoy some kick in my sandwiches. A little bit of cayenne. My intention for this video was actually just to make a video of me talking to the camera while I just do stuff in the background and not really talk about the food. Maybe just like give little hints here and there. But it ended up turning into a cooking video. I don't know. When I cook, I tend to just talk to myself like, all right, I'm gonna do this here and put like, I do that. So, all right, time to cut it. I don't have the right knife for this, I'm sorry. Please focus. Camera, what are you doing? Doo-doo-doo-doo. Yay. Very lackluster cross-section because the cheese isn't super stringy because it's cheddar. The tanginess from the mayonnaise for the bread is amazing. And then like the mild flavor of the cheddar, and then with a little bit of cayenne, boy, I'm actually gonna say this is actually one of the best sandwiches I've ever made. I mean, that's not saying much because of course there's people that make like the best sandwiches. The cheddar and the cayenne like really help, especially the bread with the mayonnaise. I'm so happy I went with this and not like the Italian hero. It's always best to go simple than to go extravagant. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this really random kind of, I never did this kind of video before. I've always wanted to, just kind of like talking and cooking and stuff. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in another video.